What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how you can create a riser with operator. To start things off here, I have a track that has a build and then goes into a drop. So I'll play it for you. But it's lacking a little bit of tension, and so that's why I'm going to build a riser to create a little more tension before that drop. So I just want a 4-bar riser. So what I'm going to do is enter a new MIDI track here, select 4 bars, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-M to insert a new MIDI clip. And like I said, 4 bars. My song is in C, so I'm going to select C as our main note here, and then we're just going to drag operator into our MIDI clip. So to start off, we should just have a basic sine wave, and what I want this to do is rise over time. So I'm going to make it so the level is automating over time, and I also want to create another one that is doing the same thing but maybe not as much. So we'll go up to -20 dBs, and then I'm also going to automate the fine with this one. So let's say, I don't know, 200, and let's see how that sounds. So you can start to hear the riser in that. The next thing I want to do is automate the LFO here. So I'm going to automate the rate, so bring this down to 0 at the beginning, and then make the amount go up. Let's just say 100. So let's play it from here, and let's play it from the beginning, see how that sounds. So that rate is a little higher than I would like, so I'm going to bring it about halfway, maybe like 50, so the peaks and lows aren't as extreme. All right, and then so one final oscillator here, I'm going to add white noise, bring that level up. All right, so that's sounding pretty good. I'm going to take this MIDI clip and resample it into an audio track. All right, and so it cuts off a little too abruptly for my liking. So then I'm going to add a reverb onto it, and then I'm going to automate that reverb at the end like this. We'll bring up the size and decay a little bit. So let's do about 3 seconds. All right, so now I'm going to freeze and flatten that, and now we have a pretty solid riser. So going to take that, and then I want to move it about here because that's where I want it to build the tension to. So let's listen to it one more time. All right, and let's see here. There we go. Sweet. So now we have a riser that is pretty much created to my liking, and you can do the same thing. So if you like this video or thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow, and if you have any other questions, leave it in the comments. All right, peace out, guys.